and sweet. B for ball that bounces on the street. C for cat who purrs and plays. D for dog who runs all day. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish that swims along. G for goat with a little beard. H for horse that runs so near. I for ice cream, cold and yummy. J for jelly in my tummy. K for kite flying high in the sky. L for lion with a roar nearby. M for monkey who loves to swing. N for nest where birds do sing. O for owl awake at night. P for panda black and white. Q for queen with a crown so grand. R for rabbit who hops on the land. S for sun shining so bright. T for tiger with stripes in sight. U for umbrella in the rain. V for van on the lane. W for whale in the sea so blue. X for xylophone with sound so true. Y for yo-yo, up and down. Z for zebra with stripes of brown. A to Z, what fun!